Did Florida just make stem cell therapy without FDA approval legal? Yes, and I'm here to tell you why that's a big deal for patients, doctors, and the future of medicine in the US. I'm Dr. Prado-Wright, and as a physician and founder of a cosmetic surgery practice, I've seen firsthand how having access to cutting-edge treatments can absolutely change lives. Florida's new law, which is going to be effective in July of this year, lets licensed doctors provide stem cell therapy, even if they're not FDA approved, for things like pain management, orthopedic issues, and wound healing. So this is a complete about-face from the FDA's original position. But this isn't going to be a total free-for-all. The law is very clear on how doctors have to comply. Only stem cells from the umbilical cord blood or placental tissue can be used. You can't get it from fat and you can't get it from fetuses. They have to come registered. They also have to come from FDA registered and accredited labs. And we're also required to provide full informed consent for all of the patients that outlines the risks, the benefits, alternate options, and being very clear that this is not FDA approved. And if we talk about it publicly like a marketing video, we have to say upfront that the therapy is not FDA approved. So here's why I support this. This is how we're gonna move the field forward. Patients are already flying overseas to get these exact same treatments in places that are not as heavily regulated. Now we can give them access to these treatments right here at home, at least in the state of Florida. And it's going to be safer, ethically provided, and under medical supervision. It also gives US doctors a chance to gain real clinical experience with regenerative medicine and gather the data and research that we need to push for wider acceptance. As usual, Florida is at the forefront and leading the charge. We're putting patients first and creating opportunities for innovation in a space where the US historically has been lagging behind. If you're a patient that's curious about regenerative medicine or a doctor wondering how does this change our options for patients, drop your questions below and let's talk about the future of medicine.